In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Grubhub driver region. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The option to manage your Grubhub delivery zones and alter them at any time is going to be available on the Grubhub for Drivers help page. So what you have to do is look for the Grubhub for Drivers Help Center. Alternatively, you can also go directly to this page, driver-support.grubhub.com/hc/anus. As long as you arrive at this page, Grubhub for Drivers Help Center, remember that you can simply look for it on Google. You will find the option to request a zone alteration inside of the app. So all that you have to do is go over to Getting Started with Grubhub Delivery, and now click See All Articles. This will show you all the articles related to being a delivery partner. One of them should be this one. I applied to one area, but I have moved. How do I change my application market? Click this option, and now you will find the option to submit a form to have the zones or regions in which you can make deliveries in changed. So click on this form and you will be redirected to another page where you can start the request process. So choose from the list of topics, usually the first one, delivery partners request form, and in here you can inform them with all of your contact information. So email address, full name, the email that you use to sign up, same thing with the phone number, and on the topics you can browse through the options. As long as you find the option to manage your account and your area of activity, you will be able to have your zones changed inside of the app, and then you can just resume after they automatically change for you. Like I said, you cannot do this process on your own. You need to select this option, changing my delivery region, and you need to have them change it for you. Keep in mind that sometimes you will not be approved to be changed, but as long as you can provide valid and legitimate information on why you want a region changed, they will be able to be in touch with you and help you address the situation. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Grubhub driver region. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.